Hello, farmers. I'm your host, Dr. Joseph Deji Folutile, World Farmer Center Success in Farming TV. I'm on for the episode number 3 of the real secrets of multimillionaire farmers. The real secrets of multimillionaire farmers. As a background, like I discussed before with you, uh, I've been on this project for over 14 years, producing Farming Advice Digest, and we've gone through so many editions of this magazine, and the basic concept behind it is like the name, Farming Advice Digest, is to seek for ways to get quality advice that will make an average farmer to become successful in the business of farming. And over the years, we have interviewed several hundreds of big-time farmers in Nigeria. And I'm discussing this particular series to share with you the kind of information that will help you to scale your farming business. So that is why I call it the real secrets of multi-millionaire farmers. Majority of those that we interviewed, honestly, they are multi-millionaires. Quite a few are billionaires in status. And for this particular episode, I'll be telling you a particular secret that you can also put into your farming business right now and see a marked difference within a short time. They have a partnering mentality. They have a partnering mentality. They believe that no one can succeed alone. So most of these farmers that are multimillionaires, they work with different set of experts right from the beginning, and they kept at it. At no time will they consider that, oh, because this expert is not good, then I'm going to do without experts. No. If one is not good, they try to look for another one that is good. They have this partnering mentality. So because you can make it in the business of farming, you need to have a partnering mentality. You need to understand that no one can actually succeed alone. No one can succeed alone. And this is very fundamental. They have a partnering mentality. They have a partnering mentality. I remember a particular farm I interviewed, very big time farmer. He told me that, Doctor, the reason why I'm doing so well in this business because right from the beginning, I partner with experts. I partner with the right experts. So you can't just think you can make it in any business, especially in farming business, and think that, well, I can do without experts. Many times when I discuss with some farmers, they say, oh, some of these vet doctors, they are not very... Look, my point is that the reason why you have counterfeit is because there is original. So if you try an expert and you're not getting what you need to get, you need to change the expert. Get the right experts. Experts abound. Great experts abound. You know, even the Holy Book says that in the multitude of counselors, there is safety. So most of these multimillionaire farmers, they have a partnering mentality. A partnering mentality. You see them surrounded by the right veterinary doctors, those who are in the livestock business. You see them with the right agronomists. You see them with the right nutritionists. Sometimes even you see them with the right accountants. It's a partnering business. You can't succeed alone in farming. You need to imbibe this particular concept into your farming business. I can tell you, you start right now, don't be alone in this business. Don't try and be watching what the experts are doing and not trying to see what I can run around them. You don't need that. You don't need that. Like they say chop alone, you die alone. So you need to also find a way to do what we call other people's energy, other people's resources, other people's energy in order to harness them for your own farming business. You need to cultivate the partnering mentality. If you have been doing it alone, I want you to stop and start looking for the right experts. You don't get the right one, sack that one and get another one until you get the right one. The moment you get the right experts and you are surrounded by them in your farming business, you start seeing things changing. You start seeing things changing because the contribution they make to your business will begin to show in a short period of time. Once again, my name is Dr. Joseph Dejifurutile, World Farmer Center Success in Farming TV. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel to keep getting quality and timely advice for your farming business success. If you want to get the digital copy of Farming Advice Digest, on the comment below, put your name, your email address, and your WhatsApp number. I'm going to send you a digital copy free of the Farming Advice Digest. Thank you.